Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Well, good evening, Eastern Iowa. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Andy Cassidy. We saw some showers and isolated storms really throughout the area, especially during the afternoon, and some of us saw some small hail at times, and we could see that threat maybe until about sunset, but by the time you're watching this, that threat's probably diminished, and we'll just have some isolated showers really for us as we head through the rest of this evening. So as we go through 9 o'clock here again, maybe some stray showers along the area, and that'll continue until about midnight. And I think most of that will wrap up. Clouds will clear out, and although you're seeing completely sunny skies, I do think some clouds will linger on our eastern edge, our northeastern edge, especially tomorrow. But then once the afternoon kicks in, I think we will have widespread sunshine. The winds, unfortunately, are not going to die down anytime soon. We'll see gusts up to 35 miles per hour and sustain pretty consistent, anywhere from about 15 to 20, maybe close to 25 miles per hour. During the day tomorrow, we'll see sustained winds, I think, around 20 to 25 with gusts up to 40. It will die down tomorrow night temporarily as we'll see a switch from the northwest to the south, and that'll bring in warmer air on Saturday, but it is still going to be windy for us for the first half of the weekend. Overall tonight, low temperatures are going to be in the low 30s. Showers and storms early, but really will taper off after midnight, well, especially after sunset, but we'll taper off after midnight overall. Decreasing clouds from west to east with that strong northwesterly flow. Then during the day tomorrow, widespread 60s, low to mid 60s across the board here. Again, that wind's going to be pretty strong, but I think we'll see plenty of sunshine as we wrap up our work week. Your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. So for that weekend, mid to upper 70s on Saturday. Sunday, I think it's going to be the nicest day because we'll be in the upper 70s and low 80s. We'll see plenty of sunshine, and the winds will be lighter. But then comes Monday into Tuesday where things get a little bit interesting. So I think generally speaking for now, the storm system on Monday has slowed down a bit. So most of the severe risk, really the storm risk in general, will stay off to our west during the day on Monday. You can see this is 4 days out. That's a 30% risk. These aren't issued very often. Really, in general, not even a 15% risk is issued very often past 3 days. So this is going to be a strong system moving in, but as you can see, most of it stays off to our southwest. I think our best chance of seeing the start of those storms is Monday night into early Tuesday. Then for Tuesday comes the second wave kind of moving through, and this is for our central and eastern areas under that 15% risk. Now the hope is that that system can kind of shoot the gap, and what I mean by that is come in Monday night and then start to leave during the morning hours on Tuesday, so then we can see at least just general showers and not anything severe. But right now it looks like potentially Tuesday afternoon and evening, we could see the threat of severe weather and maybe see all three risks of strong wind gusts, large hail, and maybe a few tornadoes. So this is certainly a system we're going to keep an eye on, and because of that, we do have a yellow alert day for the day on Tuesday, and not only the chance of strong to severe storms, but I think winds will be strong no matter what. We'll see gusts 45, maybe close to 50 miles per hour, just because of how strong that system is. Generally speaking, we should see rain no matter what, which is good news, but again, hoping it's not on the severe side. So we'll keep an eye on that. Before then, though, Monday, I think we'll see maybe potentially widespread 80s in the low to mid 80s. Most of that rain, as I mentioned, Monday night into the day on Tuesday. If that clears out Tuesday night, a dry day Wednesday, then maybe a few more showers on Thursday. Not expected to be severe there. It's a little bit cooler. And then for looking in the following weekend, a little bit more seasonal with highs in the low 60s.